When you first launch Media Composer, the first thing that appears on your screen is the Select Project window. The Select Project window basically allows you to choose what editor is going to be working. So you can choose your name or some other name. You can actually create another user profile and call it guest if you want to. So you could sign in as the guest or Steve. These are important because your settings are attached to these things. The other thing it allows you to do is to choose where you're going to save your projects. And in Avid, there are 3 different places you can save your projects. Really, it doesn't change the project in any way. The first place, private, allows you to save the projects in a place where only you can get access to them, or only the person that is signed on to a specific login, a user login to the computer. So those are saved in the users folder on a Mac, and then the name of the person who's signed in, documents and Avid projects. If you want to share your work with multiple editors, you can choose shared. That goes to a different location, different file path. That would be users shared instead of to a specific name, Media Composer Avid shared projects. And you can also choose external, which doesn't have any specific spot. It's just kind of wherever you last opened them up. I created a folder on my Macintosh HD called External Avid Projects, and then I built a couple of folders at the Finder level. I just called them Corporate Client 1 and so on. And then if you select in those folders, you can put projects in those folders. So it's just a way to kind of organize. You basically do most of that at the Finder level, and then you can build your projects. For example, if I wanted to start working on show 5 here, I could just create new project, type show 5. Here's where you get your choices of frame rates, for example, or the size of the project, whether you want PAL or NTSC, and also your aspect ratio of 4:3 or 16:9. So we're going to choose 16:9, 30i NTSC, interlaced. I hit OK, and I'm into that project. Instead, we're going to go to a project we've already created called COD1, and all you do to open an old project or a project you've already started is select it and choose OK, and we'll continue the training.